On July 26, 2024, Nist published SP 800-218A, the first secure development playbook written specifically for generative AI and dual-use foundation models. Authored by Booth, Souppaya, Vassilev, and a CISA contributor, it does not replace the SSDF. It bolts AI-specific tasks onto SP 800-218 version 1.1. Originally commissioned under Executive Order 14110, it speaks to model producers, system builders, and acquirers. In the next few minutes, we will unpack what it adds, why it exists, and what its shifting political backdrop means. Let us start with the core idea behind Nist Sp 800.218a. Here are the essentials of Nist Sp 800.218a in plain language, what it is, and why it was introduced. SP 800-218A is a community profile that augments the Secure Software Development Framework version 1.1. It adds AI-specific practices, tasks, and references on top of SP 800-218, so the two documents are designed to be used together rather than separately. The profile narrows its scope to generative AI and dual-use foundation models. It layers recommendations and considerations across the full software development lifecycle, addressing risks unique to training, fine-tuning, and deploying large AI models that general secure coding guidance never anticipated. Nist aims SP 800-218A at three audiences: producers of AI models, producers of systems that embed those models, and organizations acquiring such systems. That three-way framing pushes secure development accountability across the entire AI supply chain, not just the original model builder. The document traces directly to Executive Order 14110, signed October 30, 2023, which tasked Nist with a companion resource for secure AI development. A draft appeared April 29, 2024, before the final July publication, authored with input from CISA and Scarphone Cybersecurity. Now, let us look at why Nist Sp 800.218a matters in practice. Here is where Nist Sp 800.218a shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Here is the awkward part. EO 14110. The mandate behind SP 800-218A was rescinded on January 20, 2025. We think the guidance still stands on technical merit, but teams citing it should stop leaning on the executive order as justification. Because it is a community profile rather than a control catalog, nothing here is enforceable on its own. Our view: treat SP 800-218A as a maturity checklist, then map its tasks into contracts and SBOM requirements where you actually need teeth. We see the real payoff in its language. By extending SSDF practice IDs to AI, it gives acquirers and vendors a common reference for due diligence questions. That comparability matters more than any single task it lists. What we would track next is overlap. SP 800-218A focuses on the build pipeline, while the AI Risk Management Framework and ISO 42001 cover governance. Organizations that stitch all three together avoid duplicated effort and contradictory controls. Let us recap the key takeaways on Nist Sp 800.218a and what to do next. Nist finalized SP 800-218A on July 26, 2024, following an April 29 draft. It is the agency's first secure development guidance written specifically for generative AI and dual-use foundation models. The profile augments SP 800-218, the SSDF version 1.1, with AI-specific practices and tasks. Use the two documents together. SP 800-218A is not a self-contained framework on its own. It addresses model producers, builders of AI systems, and acquirers, spreading secure development responsibility across the AI supply chain rather than resting it on one party. Although Executive Order 14110 was revoked January 20, 2025, the published guidance remains available on CSRC. NIST.gov. Its technical recommendations stay useful even without the original executive mandate behind them. If securing AI model pipelines is on your roadmap, SP 800-218A is worth a careful read alongside the SSDF. For structured courses that turn frameworks like this into practical, audit-ready skills, head over to standarity.com. Subscribe and keep building secure systems with us.